Te Reo Rangatira Lesson 2. Kōrero Pakiwaitara. Storytelling. It is good to learn to write a short story in Te Reo Rangatira of your own, or it doesn't matter if it is a story that has been written by professionals. In this exercise you will learn how I use Google to find a known Māori story in Pākehā and then translate into Te Reo. Then you can make a list of words to translate into Te Reo by using the māoridictionary.co.nz. You can make a PowerPoint presentation by using Google Image to copy and paste into your PowerPoint. There are many exciting possibilities. Maui restrains the sun. Maui takes the jawbone of his ancestress Muriranga Whenua and uses it as a weapon in his first expedition. This is to snare the sun and make it go slower because the days were too short for people to get their work done. With the help of his brothers, Maui nooses the sun and beats him severely with the jawbone club until the sun promises to go slower in future. I tango a Maui I te kauai o tōna ruruhi, a Muriranga Whenua. Me te aha anō, ka mahia hei patu I roto I tana haerenga tuatahi. Tēnei ki te tāhere I te rā, kia pō turi te haere I te mea kua poto ngā rā mo te iwi kia oti ai ngā rātou mahi. I te awhina atu I ona teina ka tāhere tia e Maui I tā rā. Āna ka tino kino te patu iaia I te kauai whewua. Tai atu ki te kupu taurangi o te rā. Ki te ki atu ka haere pō turi mo ake tonu atu. Slide 1. Kupu marama. Tongo. Kauai. Tōna. Ruruhi. Me te aha anō. Patu. Harenga tuatahi. Slide 2. Kupu marama. Tāhere. Rā. Pōturi. Poto. Kia oti. Slide 3. Kupu marama. Āwhina. Tāhere tia. Ka tino kino te patu. Te kupu taurangi. Pōturi moake. Kōrero Pakiwaitara. You see, I found a story of Maui restraining the sun. I then used māoridictionary.co.nz to translate the Pākehā list of words I had made to help me write the story in Te Reo. You can do the same process to translate your own story into Te Reo. This exercise will help you learn new kupu Māori and how to make sentences in Te Reo. Remember, every sentence has sentence starters and sentence joiners. Sentences are sometimes written in past, present, and future tense. Don't be put off if you can't translate your story into te reo. Facebook PM me to do it for you. I'd rather you send me whatever you have done by yourself first, so I can help you to be a translator in te reo. If you become a good translator, then there is wealth in being a translator of te reo. Storytelling as a profession can be done in many ways, such as an author, a poet, a song composer, or a filmmaker. They are all storytellers. Whoever wrote the story Moana and then Disney made it into a film was brilliant. I wonder who became wealthy. Nō reira, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa.